Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Cynthia and thank you for clicking on this video. For today's video we are doing a braided wig, and for the closure you can see it's already ventilated. I have a different video showing how to ventilate your closure. I'll just link it in the description box. So for this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know about making a braided wig. I'll show you how to part your closure, how to braid, how to extend your braid, and how to wear your wig. So let's dive into it. So for this wig you can see I'd started braiding, but I'll just use it to demonstrate what you need to do. So for the first step, you need to use your tape measure. You need to place the tape measure and secure it using a pin on your mannequin head. So from there you can measure 1 inch or 1.5. The reason why you wanna have like a spacious parting at the back part is because you don't want your wig to be bulky. At the back part you can just make it lighter, and then you will fill in the braid at the front part. Like you can see, my braids are spacious at the back part. So to start braiding, we are going to first start out by crocheting the braiding hair. Guys, I believe you know the crocheting process, and with that process I'll just follow the line that I'd marked earlier. And when crocheting the hair, make sure the braids are falling in between one another like I'm demonstrating in the video. So I'll just hold the hair, then start braiding. Guys, when you're doing a braided wig, there's a size that you want. So you can crochet the hair like the size that you're going to braid, or you can crochet a small amount of hair, then you'll keep adding the way that I'm doing until you get the right size that you want. So I'll just braid this hair until halfway because I'm going to use a different color to extend my braids. So this is how you do, especially the back part, and just stick around to see how I do the closure, how I part and everything. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell. So guys, you see that area where the arrow is pointing? That's where you want to start crocheting your braiding hair closely, and make sure that area is full because it will cover the back part. So right now I'm just detangling my closure, and guys, you can see around the part that I was showing you, it is fully packed and the braids are closely braided, and you can see it covers all the spaces that were at the back part. So that's how you want to do this area. I'm using my needle to part my closure. You can't use a comb. If you have a rattle comb like the one with the metal at the back, you can use that one. So right now I'm using my needle to part that section. For this section, you can part it into tiny parts, then then add braids whenever you're doing it, or you can section it into medium sections, then add braid the way I'm doing to get the size that you want. It's according to the size you're going for. So guys, for this section that I'm braiding, you can see the braids will fall to the back side. When I'm done, I'll just start parting from the sides so that the braids can fall to the sides. If you haven't subscribed until this part, please do, and stick around to see how I do my knotless braid and how I achieve this beautiful wig.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then.
So I'm done braiding, and that's the hair I'm using to extend. It's number 30, and guys, you can see how I'm extending my braid. Whenever I extend, I don't have bumpiness, so just look keenly and see how I do it. When I'm done extending, I'll trim the braids one by one. Guys, I don't like burning my hair or anything. I'll just trim them one by one to make sure they are neat and clean.
Nobody seems to make the time, and I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again, I trace my steps.
So I already secured the hooks on my wig cap, and I'm just wearing it. So guys, you can see I cut the excess net that was on the closure, and from here apply your foundation and your powder. Don't wear this wig like this. Apply the foundation to blend with your skin tone. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe, share with a friend, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.